Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this simple everyday makeup look that I did. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So I've already filled in my eyebrows with this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Sculpt pencil, and now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is the shade Toast, and I'm going to use that to clean up only the bottoms of my eyebrows.
Traveling so far, like a dragonfly, just grab my hand from heaven sent. We need tonight.
Now I'm going to take a flat brush and clean that up, and I'm also going to take this concealer over my eyelids. Now to clean up the top of my brows, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, but in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Now I just spot concealed my face with that same Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just going to take a regular sponge and blend out where I spot concealed. And for my foundation today, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is Dewy Smooth, and my shade is going to be 355, which is coconut.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven sent. We need tonight. I run
Now to brighten up my under eyes, I'm going to go with the same concealer I used to clean up the bottom of my brows, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast. And I'm not going to put too much of it. I'll just put a little bit right in here. Just to make me look a little bit more weak. Now that that's done, I'm just gonna set my face with the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder, and this is a shade medium. And I'm only gonna put this in the centers of my face. I never usually see a reason to set like my cheek, like my jaw and like my forehead with powder and all that, because I usually spray it down anyway. So I'm just gonna apply this right underneath my eyes and a little bit on my chin and maybe some on my nose.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars.
Now while I let that sit there for a couple seconds, I'm gonna go in with this Black Radiance Perfect Tone Lip Gloss. And I'm not really sure what shade this is, but it's like this rosy kind of pink one. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my lips. Now that that's been sitting on my face for a little while, I'm just gonna wipe it away with the brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette and take this highlight shade right here and just put it down the bridge of my nose and then on the arches of my eyebrow.
When you start, even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now.
And to set my face, I'm gonna take this NYX Matte Finishing Spray.
Like a dragonfly, keep the secrets there, keep them everywhere. Just you and I.
And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this everyday simple makeup tutorial. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check out my other playlists for all my other tutorials, and I'll see you guys soon.